How to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. Want to see your old Snapchat chats with someone who blocked you? Snapchat doesn't provide a direct option to reopen a conversation with someone who has blocked you, but you can try downloading your My Data information. First, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap My Data. Sign in if Snapchat asks you to, then look for the data options. Select chat history and deselect the other categories if you only want your chat information. Tap Next, then choose the date range you want to request. After that, tap Submit. Snapchat will process your request and send you an email when your data is ready to download. Also, keep in mind that Snapchat's data download may not include every message, especially if the conversation has expired, been deleted, or is no longer available. So, while you can't directly access a chat with someone who blocked you, requesting your Snapchat data is one option you can try to check whether the chat history is available. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tutorials.